we need to make 4 ovals, 2 next to each other, and then 2 right underneath, same size. They should line up and stack right on top of each other. One little line down from each side of the ovals. And those go down, but should not touch the ovals underneath. Then we're going to do a little curve, like a very wide smile shape, connecting the lines. And then we need to do the base of the block, so we're going to line in between the 2 ovals. Then we're going to go over, curve down, curve across, take a turn up, and then a turn across. Start the corner, go down part of the way, across, and then back up. And start over in this corner and take a little turn to connect to that corner.